Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all well and are having a lovely Monday. I thought why not share with you a get ready with me and a chit chat. During this whole glam process, this is the look that we will be creating. It's everything, so from the eyes to the base to the finish. So stay tuned and let's get into this, guys.
About me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
So first of all, I have got a clean face. My face is feeling quite dry right now. I don't know if it's because of the heat, but it's literally feeling really dry. So I'm going to first go in with my Botanic Rose Tonic Water. Just spritz this all over my face. I literally just need some hydration back into my skin. And I'm gonna go in with my eyes first before we start the base. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe eyebrow pencil first and just create a few natural streaks of hair. Guys, I've got some more makeup. Obviously, how could I resist going to a makeup shop? So I literally went into Morphe and I was so excited. I finally got a few little things from there and I made a quick stop at NARS. I feel like me not going to a makeup store whilst in Westfields is near to impossible. Like seriously, I'm not joking. Eyeshadow wise, guys, we're keeping it super natural. So I'm gonna go in with a blending brush and the shade Comfort Zone from my Jaclyn Hill palette. Just literally apply there to my crease line, and I'm focusing on keeping the product more towards the outer corner of the eye. And now I'm just going to go in with the shade Home Body and just deepen this colour. Do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to add a bit of burgundy to this look. So I've gone in with shade Next from the palette and I'm focusing this into my crease line and I'm kind of just blending this back and forth. And then I'm going to go in with a more fluffier blending brush and take the shade Oh Hello. Yes, that's what I'm going to go in with. And pop this on to the middle part of my eye. Oh, I really like where this is going. And you know what, guys? I'm actually not going anywhere, but I'm just doing a get ready with me. I'm going in with shade Crazy now and just applying this directly into the corner. And guys, if you've noticed, every time I apply my shadow, before I apply it to my lid, I'm shaking away all of the excess. I'll go in with the fluffy brush and blend this bad boy away. What should we do? Should we keep it fully burgundy or should we add? Okay, I've decided I'm gonna go in with Bougie from the palette. I'm applying this with my finger so the pigment transfers more smoothly, and then I'm using my finger to sort of blend it out. Sometimes when you just start working on these things, they just develop into something that you didn't think that they would. It's kind of the situation here. That's it, guys. That's all we're going to do with the eye. And should I do some eyeliner? Why not? Let's do some eyeliner, guys. Now I'm just going to quickly do this eye and I'm not going to bore you. I'll be back. So the eyes are done and I went in with my TL4 Tatty Lashes and I'm really liking this. And I like the fact that I went in with winged liner. Time for the base. base. So the first thing that I'm going to do is go in with some good moisturizer, and you guys know how much I love my Weleda, so I'm just going to apply a generous amount of this onto my face. Seriously guys, like my skin's a teeny bit dry recently and I don't know why. I haven't been sleeping great the past couple of days. Ava has decided to go through a sleep regression, and for mummies out there who watch my videos, they will hopefully be able to relate if their child has gone through like a sleep regression. I was just like, I can't do this. Yeah, no, it was super challenging. I'm not gonna lie, like I felt like she's a baby all over again. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my Live Tinted Hue Stick. So I'm going to go in with my ordinary primer and just apply this around my nose area. And I'm going to get a teeny bit of my eye cream onto my finger. But yeah, please feel free to comment below if you have any suggestions during a child's sleep regression, because seriously I was legit going insane, and I feel like it's getting back to like a routine again, which is so good, and I'm just like, yes, I can record and get some sleep. So guys, I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal True Match foundation. Now go in with my cream contour, just applying this, and I know I'm doing this before my concealer. I just want all of my cream products to be on my skin. Just gonna go back in with my foundation brush and just blend this out. Seriously, I feel like I am kind of going a little bit crazy during the end of lockdown. I just really want things to go back to normal. Guys, I turn 30 next month and I really would like to celebrate with my family and my friends. I just hope this is going to be possible. I know there's a lot more stuff going on in the world, but you know, I only turned 30 once and I would really like to celebrate this with my family. So guys, you've noticed that I'm doing the new concealer technique. Okay, I waited for this to dry a little bit just because it's easier to now go away and blend, because the product that you need to sit will sit onto your skin a lot more nicely. You've just got to be super careful when you're blending this, because it's so close to your eyeliner. Go in with your beauty blender, and this will take away any excess that you kind of don't want, and just blend it in with your foundation as well. I'm not even joking. I think I've lost my Charlotte Tilbury. I'm legit not joking, guys. I think I've lost my Charlotte Tilbury. In the meantime, I'm going to go in with my all-nighter. I'm going to now go in with my Huda Beauty and just bake the areas where I did my actual concealer. So guys, I'm going to go with my blusher, and today I'm using the shade Luster by NARS. So you literally just need the smallest amount onto your hand, and with this, because it's quite liquidy. I'm going in with my beauty blender. So because I've obviously got my mark and my foundation wasn't so thick, applying the cream has now taken away my concealed effect of this area. I'm just going to go in with a hint of my L'Oreal True Match concealer and just pop this on top of this area, because on top of this blusher I'm going to go in with my Patrick Tart. So I'm just going to blend this out, and as you can see I'm focusing my blending on the outer area, not so much the actual area where my blemish, my extraction scar is. Time for the Patrick Tart. I'm going to go in with this shade here. It's amazing and it just goes on so nicely on top of this. Time for some bronzer. So now I'm going to go in with my Huda Beauty 3D highlighter, and I feel like when you're going for that bronzy-ish finish, which I kind of am right now, I feel like it just works so nicely, the shades in this palette. So I like to mix Tahiti and Fiji together and just apply this right on top of my cheekbone. I'm really liking this. Like, I've used very minimal powder during this whole look and it's actually come together super nicely. So I've just put some highlight on to my collarbones, and seriously I am totally loving this sun-kissed summer vibe. Guys, we need to take away the excess powder from underneath our eyes. Let's finish our eyebrows off. Using our soap brows, we are going to lift our eyebrows. Guys, this is the finished look, and the last thing I'm going to do is go in with my Morphe setting spray, and I feel like I've been at the beach and I've just come home getting changed for my evening meal. So yeah, it's been so fun getting ready with you guys, and I really hope you enjoy this look. And please tag me in any recreations and comment below, because I do genuinely want to know what you guys have been up to. I love my space when I'm recording and I'm filming for you guys. I genuinely feel this is my happy place. So yeah, like if you have anything going on, message below. I'm here for you guys, honestly. So yeah, thank you so much, and thank you for your continuous support and love, guys. Love you all. Bye.